It's a perfect day at CocoCay.
Hey Travel Besties, welcome to or welcome back to Celeste Travels. Today we are docked at Royal Caribbean's beautiful private island Perfect Day at CocoCay in the Bahamas. We are heading to the adults-only Hideaway Beach. Will it be a perfect day? Let's go find out. Once you step off the ship, you are welcomed by the colorful island vibes of CocoCay. You can enjoy a beautiful walk down the pier or hop on the Pier Tram. And once you're on the island, you'll never lose your way on CocoCay. There's maps everywhere. Which way to Hideaway?
Reservation for Hideaway. Here we go.
We decided to hop on the tram to save a little time, but you totally can walk to Hideaway Beach if you're up for it. Just a heads up, it's on the far side of the island, so the tram's a super easy way to get there without breaking a sweat. Was that a storm cloud I saw rolling in over them ships? No way you're ruining my day. Spoiler alert, it didn't.
Morning.
Good morning.
It's a perfect day at CocoCay.
That's right.
You're at Hideaway. I'm Chandra. This is Erin and Eugenia.
All right
You
now.
have your seatbelt card right here. If it lights up green, then you know what that means.
Thank you. What we love about Hideaway, besides the fact that it's adults only, is that pretty much everything you need is right here. You got multiple bars, tasty food spots, live music, and a pool DJ. The vibes are on point. And the best part, it's all included once you buy your pass, except for your drinks, unless you have the drink package too. Yep, your drink package works on the island. Let's take a walk around and check out everything Hideaway has to offer. If you're looking for your own private slice of paradise, you can totally splurge on a Hideaway Cabana. There are pool cabanas right by all the action and the more tucked away Hideout Cabanas for extra chill vibes. I'll show you both so you can see what fits your vibes. If you're eyeing one of these dreamy pool day beds, just know they're first come, first serve. So if you want a good spot, it's worth getting here a little extra early. We made our way over to the Hideout Cabanas. These are super exclusive and tucked away from the main pool party. You get your own private pool plus a personal attendant to take care of everything you may need. Total VIP vibes. Okay, let's take a Hideaway Beach selfie. Say cheese! How cool are these in-water hammocks? Such a vibe. Just a heads up, but they are also first come, first serve. So if you see one open, go ahead and grab it. Unfortunately, I had to wait because we had a little weather delay. So did we have a perfect day even with the weather at play? We sure did. Rain or shine, perfect day CocoCay brought the vibes. This ended up being such a fun and relaxing day at Hideaway Beach. We played in the pool, took a dip in the ocean, sipped Coco Locos, and had a bunch of laughs. Even with the storm clouds earlier, I have to say, it definitely lived up to the name. We had a perfect day at CocoCay. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a getaway. Until next time, thanks for watching.